Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to change the color of links in a marketing email in HubSpot using the full 2026 layout. So first, open your browser, head to hubspot.com, click Log In, and sign into your account. Once your dashboard loads, we're ready to adjust the styling inside your email. From the top navigation bar, click Marketing and choose Email. You'll see your drafting area. Open an existing email or click Create Email to start a new one. Once the editor loads, move to the left-hand panel and click the Design tab. This area controls the global styles for your entire email, things like fonts, backgrounds, button styles, and of course, hyperlink colors. Scroll until you find the link color option. Click the color picker and choose a shade that matches your brand. You can also paste in a hex code if you want something exact. As soon as you select the new color, every hyperlink in the email updates instantly. Some templates also include a hover color setting. This lets you choose a second color that appears when someone moves their mouse over the link, which helps guide attention and improves click-through rates. If you have individual text blocks that don't follow the global settings, you can update those as well. Just click the text block, highlight the link, and change its color using the mini formatting toolbar. This is useful when you want one link to stand out differently than the rest. When your styling looks good, click Preview to check how the link colors appear on both desktop and mobile. Then send yourself a test email so you can see how the colors display inside real inboxes, since email clients sometimes render colors slightly differently. And that's it. And that's how to change the color of links in marketing email inside HubSpot using the updated 2026 tools. It's a simple branding detail, but it makes your emails cleaner, more professional, and easier for readers to navigate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the